Hello friends, today I want to show you how to make 6 pics to end my Instagram 8 years story. First open up the Instagram. Now first tap on this your story option. Now tap on templates. So here you will find all the trending templates. So right now it is going viral. People try to use 6 pics to end my Instagram 8 years trending story. Here on a trending template section, you notice there is a latest trending Instagram 8 years, which one is 6 pics to end my. You have to simply select this one. Now here you can randomly upload 6 different pictures or capture new pictures from your phone camera. So right now I want to just upload 6 different pictures from my phone gallery. Now here you notice that I have successfully uploaded 6 different pictures to make Instagram 6 pics to end my trending Instagram story. You have to simply tap on check mark. Now tap on your story. So here you notice that I have successfully created 6 pics to end my Instagram trending story. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.